Back now with those flash floods from Washington, D.C. all the way up the Northeast, with severe storms striking the East Coast last night. One boy lost his life after being swept into a drainage pipe. Meanwhile, commuters left scrambling, with some people in the New York subway climbing out of stations to avoid the rising water levels. ABC's Andrew Dimbert has the latest on that severe weather.
Severe storms and flash flooding slamming the East Coast. Emergencies declared in New York and New Jersey. Rainfall rates of 3 inches per hour, making a mess of rush hour. Water filling up this bus. More than 100 passengers had to use ladders and ropes to escape this Long Island Railroad train.
When they said we had to climb down, I was like having a panic attack.
Drivers trapped in vehicles along this expressway. Powerful thunderstorms hitting Pennsylvania. Multiple lightning strikes reported. In Maryland, the storm's turning deadly. A boy in Mount Airy was playing when he was swept into a drainage pipe.
The water was all the way across, and again, probably about chest level. There was too much suction, and unfortunately it ended tragically.
Outside Baltimore, water swamping roads, stranding drivers. Heavy rain also in D.C., this massive tree crushing cars. A different problem in the upper Midwest, smoke from Canadian wildfires causing some of the worst air quality in the world. Alerts issued from Minnesota to Indiana. Meanwhile, in Texas, we're learning more about the catastrophic July 4th flood that devastated Kerr County, killing more than 130 people. At a hearing, the county's emergency management coordinator, William Thomas, revealing he was sleeping as floodwaters swept the region because he was sick at the time.
I was awakened around 5:30 a.m. on July the 4th. By my wife, following a call from the City of Kerrville EMC, Jeremy Hughes, requesting that I mobilize.
But by then, hundreds of people, including 27 young campers and staff members at Camp Mystic, had been swept away by the rising water.
You should have been here directing that response. That's your responsibility.
Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.